You can see the foundation obviously fell off of this hive, and the bees, it kind of fell out of the frames in the heat or something, and the bees can join it together. They never did draw out this top box, and that's a big mistake. First year beekeepers, this top box really didn't have much for honey or nothing in it. The frames didn't even draw it out, and if you do that, there's a good chance your bees might die if they run out of honey in these bottom boxes and they can't get access to your candy board, and they can't move. It's moving up into nothingness. There's not even drawing cells there, and that's a big no-no. And like I said, I was a first year beekeeper. I don't know a lot of this stuff, but I'm learning it as I'm going. So that's a big no.